Alright fan collectors, it's WeFire88 here with another fan video. What we're looking at today is a 52-inch Litex Magnum in white. This fan is from May of 1994. Definitely a unique fan. It's a stack motor fan, as you can see here. I believe this thing's got a K55 in it. And another cool thing, this is aside from the Design House Manhattan that can also be flush mounted, you can also flush mount this fan, as you can see here. It's got 6 blades. I always thought these just had 5, but until I found this one and saw that it had 6, I thought I got it. The flywheel is just starting to let go. I have to be replaced at some point. Well, it's kind of good in there. I mean, I have another fan just like this, but the flywheel is just as wobbly, so maybe it's normal, I don't know. Here's your Litex sticker. It's got Alaska style blade arms. It's got a textured white blades, which I like. And it's got like a bleached oak upside. It's got a 4-arm light kit, as you can see. Here's your tag, May of 1994. Just a caution label. Show you what I mean by the flywheel might be normal. This is my other one that's just like it. It's a Dynasty, I think. Let's see if I can do it. The flywheel just looks pretty much just like it and has the same amount of play. That's what I'm thinking, that it might be a normal thing. But it obviously, as you can see, it's starting to dry rot. It will definitely need to be replaced in the future. If flywheels are even a thing still made for this. Anyway, here is the light. No 3-way system. I wish it did. That would be kind of cool. And here's low. And yes, as you just saw there, it is a 4-speed fan. I always thought these were just 3-speed, but now I know that these are 4-speed, so that's makes it even cooler, I think. Yeah, this is definitely a fan you don't see every day, especially a flywheel fan with 6 blades. I got this fan from Habitat, I would say end of July. And yeah, it didn't come with its mounting bracket, but I found one in Habitat's spare mounting bracket bin. A little snug, but it works. It's got a nice low speed. We'll say that. It's not too quick. But yeah. Take it up to medium low. This also has a 5 screw, like you can also adapt this, the flywheel there. Oh my God, I am having a stroke this morning. The flywheel is, you can put 5 blades on it. So it's like 5-blade adaptable or something like that. So yeah. take it up to medium high now. Doesn't wobble, of course, because, you know, it's flush mounted. We'll say this fan has interesting glass. It's something I've never seen. Turn it up to high now. A 4-speed pull chain is something I'm not used to, so I gotta like count in my head how many times to pull the pull chain. It's definitely an interesting fan. Close with it now. It's powerful. I mean, it's not like really quick, but it's fast. I like this fan. It's definitely, again, it's definitely something you don't see every day. Moves a good amount of air too. It's not terrible. The light. And here's spin down. Alright, so it's come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.